Hey there, welcome back my trader friends. I have a video here for you so you can see the exact market analysis that we take before we start taking trades. That allows you to know what we're looking for in the market and how we can know if it's a good market to be trading that day or if it's better to go grab a coffee and enjoy that your account balance is not going down. Because of course, if your account balance is not going down, then you don't need to worry about it going up way more before you actually get into profit. Before I go into that, I want to let you know that we're actually different than what you may think that we are about. We are not a signal service because signal services don't work. Just stop, think about this for a moment. How many signal services are you a part of? And how many signal services are working for you? That should tell you something. Signal services don't work. You can take the exact same trades that we transparently take, but our goal here is not to actually give you the signals. Now, we do actually have our screens open. You're sitting there with us and you're seeing everything we're seeing, and we're telling you the trades we're going to get in before we actually get in them. And then you can take the trades and you can see with your own eyes whether or not we win or lose. It's not simply something that we're telling you we won, but you have no idea if we do or not. You actually see with your own eyes. We're here to actually educate you so that you can really be a consistent trader making reliable profits for the rest of your life. Because let's say there is a signal service out there that you do like and is making you money. Well, what happens if they stop? Where does that leave you? And that's why we're here to empower you to be, like I said, a consistent trader making reliable profits. Okay, and one of the ways that we do that is how we analyze the market before we start trading. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Hands down, one of the most important concepts in trading is knowing when the market is playing your game and when it's not, because your strategy just might not be in sync with the market in that moment. Let's take a look at this euro dollar here as an example, and we can see that the euro dollar moves up, and I'm a support and resistance trader. I have lots of very clear reasons for that. And so we can see that it comes up to this resistance and it blows right past that. That would have been a clear loss. Price moves up and it starts to drop down. It blows right past this support and it goes down and it blows right past this support as well. All three of those trades would have been clear losers. And you get a bunch of losers and then you have to make a lot of wins to be able to make up for that, or you end up blowing your account or something like that. And we want to make sure that we can avoid that. So what you want to do is when you come into your trading day, you want to look to see how the market is trading over the last several situations that your entry criteria would have been met. I can see in this situation, I would not be trading the euro dollar. What I'd be doing now at this point is looking at other currency pairs to see how they are responding to support and resistance. And if I find that they're also not responding to support and resistance, then I'm just not going to trade. Maybe not for the rest of the day, or maybe just not for right then in that moment. I don't know. It will depend on what the market does when it reaches support and resistance later on in the day. That allows you to have the market tell you when you should be trading, as opposed to how you feel that day, or whether or not you have time to trade that day, or your account balance. But it's actually the market telling you. So be looking for places and looking for ways to see how is the market responding to your strategy, and then use that to determine if you will even trade on that day. Hey there, so I want to just pop back in here at the end of this video and show you even what happened later on with the euro dollar. You can see then it then started to move back up and it just blew right through this level. You might have gotten a win there, but it would depend on when and where and how you got into the trade and what your fill was. Tough to say, but here you definitely would not have gotten a win. And so this is actually the process that we go through before we actually start trading in the day. We look to see, is the market playing our game or not, and then we determine if we're going to be placing trades or not accordingly, and that helps us to where we don't get so many losses. I believe I have them down here also, another one. Yeah, this one right here, let's just take, we've got the pound dollar there, and we see the same thing happening with the pound dollar, just blowing right through that level, blowing right through that level, blowing right through that level. So it shows you it's not going to be an easy market day for support and resistance trading. If you are doing something that's more of a trend following system, maybe that would be a little bit easier of a day for you, but then you have some other things that you have to really consider to be able to make really good quality decisions. But if you're a support and resistance trader, definitely be looking for these types of things. Make sure the market's actually playing your game before you get in, and that's going to significantly improve your win rate. Okay, well, enjoy trading, and let's see each other in the trading room soon.